A Richmond man calls 12 on your side, hoping to get an important message to doctors and nurses at VCU.
Freddy Sexton Jr. spent months there with COVID-19, and now Jasmine Turner tells us he wants to reunite with the people who saved him.
Yes, and Freddy Sexton Jr. says there's so much he doesn't remember from his time in the hospital. He was diagnosed with COVID last May, and shortness of breath nearly turned fatal. Today, he wants to meet the people who kept him alive.
I've been in the hospital 2 months and a week. You know, people take everyday things for granted, you know, the walk and the talk and the breathing. Just being alive, you know, it's I ain't gonna cry. It's been a challenge.
Looking back at these videos now,
it was like just trying to breathe through a straw.
Freddy Sexton will tell you he is blessed.
I was in a coma for a month and a half, and the prognosis was they was letting my family know that I wasn't going to make it, you know, and it was on a Tuesday, say that it was nothing else they could do for me, you know, but Wednesday morning, God blessed me and I woke up.
Diagnosed with COVID-19 in May 2021, the husband and father spent more than 100 days in the hospital. More than 30 of those days, he was intubated at VCU Medical Center.
It was just like I was in a dream.
Eventually transferred to Henrico Doctors Hospital for rehabilitation.
There you go, man.
He has gone through speech, physical, and occupational therapy.
I thank MCV doctors and nurses for my recovery because I had to start all over again. I had to learn how to walk and talk, and I was just like a baby.
Freddy, his wife, and daughter all got sick with the virus at the same time. He says he was not vaccinated. Freddy's daughter was also intubated at one point, but they all survived.
But my youngest son, Joshua Sexton, he was living in Maryland, came back home, lost his job to take care of us, and he was instrumental. As
he reflects on his survival, with some memories still foggy, Freddy has one wish.
I remember some faces here and there, but names my memory's not that good, but I just want to reunite with him and thank him personally, you know, and hopefully be able to give him a nice hug or elbow bump.
He's been to VCU Medical Center several times for appointments, but is not able to go back on the critical care unit floor to see his care team.
I did try to go one day, and I had a doc's appointment there, but they said because of restrictions I couldn't go back there, you know, so yeah, that's why I call you guys.
Hoping someone who cared for him may see and hear how far he's come.
Yeah, this was actually the first time I started walking, because a lot of good folks caught COVID going away from here. I was just one of the very fortunate, blessed ones to make it through, and it's a very serious situation. Even now, I think it's serious, because you got a lot of people still fighting. For those who have chronic illnesses, like I have kidney disease and I'm a diabetic, just take care of yourself, protect yourself.
Freddy has faith that good things are still to come in his life.
My hope for my future, to get a kidney, I'm on dialysis. I feel more stronger than I was before. You know, I'm able to go out and do things. I just started going out on my own with the vehicle, you know, a month ago.
And to be able to say thank you, he knows is a blessing in itself.
Keep up the good work. You're well appreciated. I know it's a tough job they have to deal with, you know, but they're wonderful people, you know. Hearts of gold, you know, to take care of somebody in my condition.
Freddy tells me he is now fully vaccinated, and I reached out to the staff at VCU Medical Center and connected them with Freddy. A team is now working to reunite him with the doctors and nurses who cared for him. On your side, Jasmine Turner, NBC 12.
I look forward to seeing